Ready?
It's so heavy. Oh goodness.
You're going over in the water.
No, start it.
Oh, that hurt.
Hold on, it's automatic, so that is still active. Let me see what you're doing. Raise it up. Up higher. Yeah. Lean into it while your back straight.
I'm trying.
Yeah, yeah. Like if you want, like as if you're pushing a gun into somebody's eye.
Ow.
Now if it's hurting too much, then you know, put the safety back on. Okay. Yeah.
I got a nasty.
Let's switch. Now that one doesn't have a safety. Cock it back. The hammer. Pull the hammer back. Yes. Pull it back. Pull it back. All the way back. Now it's ready. That's a 410. No, you don't got to turn your base. Okay. Ready? How does that feel?
Lighter, but my ear.
Okay, I gotta get you some earplugs.
Did I have more in it or?
No, single shot. Swing that over.
Yes.
Yes, and break the barrel. Pull the barrel down. Bow, and it ejects the shell.